So I forgot to bring my tripod, and never have I ever missed my tripod so much like I'm missing it now. I have a lot to say, like a lot have been happening. I don't have a tripod to hold my phone. Like I don't know what to do. Okay, I think I can manage something. I hope this works because this is the best that I can do. Even if it is making me look so ugly. This lipstick, this smell has so many memories, starting from Technosis to Meghalaya. Just remind you of all the memories that you had in that phase. It is like 5:30 now, I think, yeah. 5:30 p.m. and by 6:30 p.m. my auto will be arriving and will be taking me to railway station. Okay, so the thing is, I am leaving Silchar. This is the end of my college life. There is no more college life. I am leaving Silchar. I will be coming here on and off to give exams, just to give exams, but the hostel life, the college life that we normally had is not gonna be there because I am going to Bangalore for internship. My college life is going to end. From tomorrow, there will be no hostel room. There will be no going to the department, sitting in the lab. There will be no late night chats with my hostel friends. There will be no reel making session. There will be no evening walks in the campus. There are so many things that I'll miss. See, after graduation, I have worked in a government sector, and that job made me understand the importance of college life. So I understand that once I get into corporate, how much I'm gonna miss this life that I have here. Nothing can replace what college life offers you, gives you. That happiness is totally different, that life is totally different, and the best time of your life, I would say. And now I am leaving all of that behind and going for a new life, and I'm happy about the opportunity that I've got. But you know, leaving all those memories, my friends, it is so hurtful. I just hope that I don't cry while sitting in that auto, saying bye bye, bidding them bye bye, goodbye. Especially my female friends, I had so many memories with them. I knew one day or the other this was about to happen. If not today, after 1 year, after my MTech is over, we all will be getting a job, and we will be moving forward to our different life. If not today, then tomorrow or the next year. So I just made this video to share my feelings. Like, I am really sad. I don't want to cry. I just want to wish my friends best of luck, so that whatever they are aiming for, they get that. They work hard for that, they will get that. My friends are very hardworking. They will get that, I know. And they are also so happy for me that I'm going for an internship, getting into this corporate job. And friends are texting me happy journey, and I'm like really happy to see that some of my friends are so supportive. I don't cry as much, but I really get connected to things in a very short amount of time. It's been only a year that I've been with them, and I have built such a great connection with them. Like, they have been to my home, and I have built a strong connection with them, and I know that I will miss them every day. I am telling myself that it is okay, everything will be fine, and we will meet again during our mid-semester or end semester exams, because only during exam I'll be coming, as I said. So I know I'll be meeting them after a month, or 1.5 month I'll be meeting them. But yet there won't be anything like hostel life or college life. I'll be just meeting them for 1 or 2 days, and then I'll go back. Every day I used to wake up and see them and talk to them, or it's like we were living in the same home. That feeling is totally different. But now I won't be seeing them every day. Even I'm feeling bad about leaving my family, because this time this is like a job. I'm not getting any vacation. Like, if I was in college, I used to get vacation, right? But in job, I'm not getting any vacation. That's what I wanted to say.
So as you can see that finally I got ready to go to the department. These days I have been waking up by the sound of this grass cutting machine. So this is what the machine looks like.
আমি আকৌ গৈছোঁ ক্লাছ সদায় নিচিনা
এজ ইফ আমাৰ ক্লাছ আছে আমি লেবত গৈ আছোঁ দেই এচি হ'ব
আজিতো মই লেব সোমাব পাৰিবা চাগে এনেই সোমাই দিবা
ও মাই গড এনেই সোমাই দিয়া ঐ
মোক মাতিব তাৰপিছত বহি যাবা তাৰপিছত কোনে মোক উঠাব
So we came back to our hostel to have lunch, but before that we got to Amlet to have it with our lunch. The weather was good today, so we thought of going on an evening walk, but before that I wanted to have some pani puri. Another day, another evening. So today we thought of celebrating our friend's birthday. They specially told us not to reveal their faces, otherwise they would have to give party to the whole hostel. So we all had dinner at our favorite place, City Dhaba, and then we came back to our hostel and made some reels.
हम लोग का मैच है
अब तो पता चलेगा ना
तेरे मेरे किसी का
ओह उल्टा डायरेक्शन
This was our first trial and there was no sync at all, as you can see.
गाना याद है बंद कर पहले स्टेप्स कर लेते हैं 3 2 1 गो चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का दिस एंड दिस ठीक है फिर ऐसे चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का ऐसे करके इधर में टकरा के फिर इधर से घुमाना है 2 1 चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले इधर पे तू चित्त में तेरे दो पट्टू तू मेरे हवाले हवाले में जस्ट ऐसे करके आ जाना है कहता इधर से ना कहता है क्या मैं ऐसे बोल क्या तेरा जिया तेरे मेरे इस किसी का सिक्का उछाले चित्त में तेरी है पट्टू तू मेरे हवाले चल तेरे मेरे इस किसी का सिक्का उछाले तेरी है पट्टू तू मेरे हवाले कहता है क्या तेरा जिया बोलो पिया
जा लुटा दो रात रात को है रात रात अपना कहा तू है कहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ
अब तो ये जीवा तेरे बिन है सजा मिल जाए इस तरह चिक चिक दो लहरें जिस तरह फिर हो ना जुदा ये वादा रहा ऐसे बरसातों में कैसा लगता है ऐसा लगता है तू बनके मेरे बदन को भिगो के मुझे छेड़ रहे हो
So we went to watch a movie that day, but things didn't work out as we planned. You will be listening to our rant just in a bit.
बोलिए हमारा स्टोरी
मूवी देखने आए थे मूवी ही कैंसिल हो गया लगता है हमें पनौटी है
दो हॉल में गए ना
हाँ दो
हॉल में एक में तो टिकट मिलते मिलते भी टिकट नहीं मिला
शनिवार को शनिदेव ने ज़्यादा ही
शनि मार दिया और तुम ही शाम हो तुम दर्द हो तुम ही आराम हो। अब इन डांसर्स के साथ देखो नहीं।
So we were going to attend this dance workshop that happened every Sunday. As you saw that we don't know to dance as such, we just dance for fun. So we crossed the auditorium where events like Technosis and Posua are organized.
Wait, wait. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
So my laptop was attacked by ants, so I had to clean this up as soon as possible. So I opened my laptop and cleaned each part one by one. So you see the registration of new batch has already started. I go to department only for AC because it is so damn hot here that only AC can save me now. As I am going to Bangalore, so we thought of doing a small get together.
Hello guys. The sky is looking so good, yaar. Oh my god, it's just like a painting or something.
So you see there is a market near our college which opens only on specific days of the week, and Tuesday is one of the days. So we shopped all the necessary things we needed from there. See, my friends were expert in buying vegetables, but I know nothing. I was just acting.
Wow, sobore skin iman glow keneke kori ase. Is this the power of Slain Musin?
Sweating. Power of sweating.
Sweating.
There was everything apart from vegetables. There were these soaps which I thought were fruits, but it was washing clothes soap. And then there is this dry fish market, and then vegetables, and look at the cucumbers, so clean, right? And this is some kind of tobacco, I don't know the name, and this is bamboo shoot, my favorite. And then we needed cabbage, which was the main ingredient for today's dish. After shopping for 1.5 hours, we were so tired that we went to our room and started preparing our sinju. Once you try sinju made by your Manipuri friend, there is no going back. You are gonna crave it every now and then, like me. And then we all had our dinner together. This is the next day evening where we were cooking two types of chicken dishes. One is chicken dry fry and another is chicken gravy.
Yeah, saying about if people feel cravings after listening to our smell. Listening to our smell.
Listening to our smell.
Yeah.
You guys need help.
Oh my god, this Nidha, she's very
These
funny.
are my cooks and I am their what to say?
Photographer.
No, Malik. What to say in English?
Boss.
I'm their boss. Hi, you white
Right
t-shirt.
hand.
Right hand and white t-shirt. You cut nicely and you black t-shirt. Cook it nicely.
At last you won't get to eat, okay?
You
We'll
guys
give
want
per
Digol
one.
Digol, right? Let's be Digol.
Yeah, do it. Ask me first, then you
Cutting
do.
chili, I'm scared about cutting chili. You take this spoon. Yeah, this is
Spoon, yeah, this is spoon.
Let me cut the chilies with a spoon, okay?
Yeah, these guys are
one is very,
these guys are my worker bee,
We are her workers.
and I'm the queen bee. Oh.
Let me show you. This is hard.
I'm the queen bee, and these are my worker bees.
Everything was so tasty, starting from chicken dry fry to chicken gravy. And that night we all sat together on the floor and had our dinner. After so many years, I sat on the floor and had dinner with my loved ones.
Guys, we are in Devajani's lab.
Actually, she had 3 AC in her lab and she wanted her friends to visit her lab. So today I visited her lab just for fun. Never in my life did I thought that I would be having classes again with the DAC guys. I think after more than 2 months we will be sitting together in the same classroom.
Say hi, bro. Asim.
हेलो चश्मा नहीं पहना ना नहीं दिख रहा होगा.
So during our first year, we used to come here after almost every class to have coffee together.
What is happening, Harsha? Okay, coffee time. it is raining heavily, not heavily, but it is drizzling, and I am here inside my umbrella walking alone at NIT Silchar since I'm leaving the college. So I just wanted to capture this moment. Maybe I won't be able to relive it again, but yeah, this is it.
So by the evening I had some pasta. So I have like few female friends group with whom I needed to spend time before I leave hostel or Silchar.
Veg pasta.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
उस वीडियो में
उस वीडियो के जैसे
मेरा वीडियो निकला है, लेकिन मेरा भी ब्लर कर देना इस बार।
क्यों तुम्हें तुम्हारा अच्छा नहीं लगा क्या?
अच्छा लगा, पर
मैंने सोचा तो मैंने फ्लॉन्ट किया ना तुम्हारा हेयर। वो तो अभी देखो तुम्हारा हेयर कलर हमेशा के लिए रह जाएगा मेरे वीडियो में, इवन इफ ये फेड हो भी जाए रियल लाइफ में।
चलो और 2 मिनट
है कि नहीं लता?
एकदम।
ओह माय गॉड, ये है क्या है? आप गेस कीजिए और कमेंट कीजिए।
कमेंट में बताइए क्या ऑरेंज क्या है।
ये क्या है? ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये बताइएगा आप लोग ना। मसाला है, और मसाले में किसका फोटो?
ये आदमी कौन है?
ये तो स्टंट मैन है, ये तो वो है,
ये तो वही है ना जो फिल्म बनाता है,
खतरों के खिलाड़ी करता है। पर ये तो इसके खाने में क्या काम है, तो वो करता था ना।
होता है कि मैं ये खाकर भी हेल्दी हूँ,
ओह माय
तो
गॉड,
तुम लोग भी रह सकते हो।
वो इसकी हेल्थ को देख के बोल रहा है।
आ जाएंगे कुछ टाइम के बाद।
3 तिगरा काम बिगड़ा। ओह माय गॉड, ये पास्ता नहीं, ये जन्नत है गाइस। आपको भी जन्नत का वो होगा, अनुभव होगा। देखिए शेफ चेंज हो चुकी है।
अभी सीनियर शेफ आ गई है, छोटे मोटे काम के लिए जूनियर शेफ।
छोटे मोटे काम के लिए इन पिल्लों को साइड पे।
वाटर गर्ल।
अब ज्यादा मत घुमाओ, कट जाए।
अब तुम भी पेरेंट में वाटर गर्ल थी क्या पहले?
हाँ
Guys, oh wow, oh wow. Alright, so guys, we are ready.
with my purple chata.
Yes, she had a pink chata which she sacrificed,
Because it was so costly.
and it didn't do its job.
Yeah, it was so small. I like big chatas.
Yes. Chom run. Oh my god. You're back on another adventure. Oh my god. Yes. My French tips.
So today was Sunday and we thought of having an outing with our another friend group which involved 3 of the boys. So they didn't wake up till 12 p.m. and Devajani and I thought of going alone, but later they joined us.
দেবাজানে আউ বুলি কচোন
কি ফালতু
আড়ু বুলি ক আড়ু
আৰু
আউ
আৰু
Upper Assam versus Lower Assam.
কি হয় এইটো কি পাছ আই
আই ৰবক নাজানে
মই জানো তো কোনে ক'লে মই আৰুটো আউ বুলি কওঁ বুলি
Rosa to Roa.
ৰজাটো কি বুলি ক
ৰজা
ফাৰ্ষ্টতেতো ৰ থাকে ন
ৰজা
আউৱা আউৱা
ফ্ৰেঞ্চ
আউজা আউজা অসমীয়া বুজি পায় তেনেহ'লে হিন্দীত কিয় কৈ আছো তেতিয়া
Oh, এজন এবাৰ খাই দেখা না।
কি
চপষ্টিক দি খাই দেখা।
খা
খাই দেখা। এইটো এটা বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট টেলেণ্ট হয় ছোৱালীবিলাকৰ কাৰণে। এইটো যদি মই হোষ্টেলত পেলাই দিওঁ, আই Oh my god! Come on! Oh! তাইতো দুখত কান্দি আছে বেচেৰি।
What did he die? What did he die?
चल चित्त में तेरी है पत तू मेरे हवाले कहता है प्यार
तेरा जिया बोलो पिया
একদম চাইকেলটো পুৰা শ্বুট কৰিছে এনেকুৱা লাগিছে তুমি দেৱাজন চাইড দিয়া চাইড দিয়া চাইড দিয়া চাইড দিয়া চাইড দিয়া উমা ধুকি নুখুনো একো নহয় একো নহয় একো নহয় একো নহয় চ' গাইজ এইটো চাওক মোকেল নম্বৰ 1 আজুল তই আৰু 3 লৈছোঁ
So one of our senior was going home this Raksha Bandhan, so she thought of gifting some gamusa at home. So since there was no motorbike allowed at our college, so they opened stalls for cycles.
এটা কেনেকৈ বিকি আছে চোৱা না
So you can see these extra shops only during admission because the new students come here and they get all the necessary items from the campus itself. They don't need to roam around the town or something. As you can see that the Independence Day decoration is going on, but unfortunately I won't be attending that because I'll be going home before that only. Having the last Sunday dinner at hostel today.
dinner in hostel life oh my god Devajani gave me her laddus and fruities ये दोनों बैठ रहे हैं और सीनियर से काम करा रहे हैं
ओ अब हम रैगिंग ले रहे
ऐसे बेशरम लोगों को देवाजानी और लता बोलते हैं ध्यान से देखिए इनके चेहरे को
मासूम चेहरे को
रैगिंग इनका होना चाहिए ये रैगिंग कर रहे हैं सीनियर्स का एंटी रैगिंग का जो पोस्टर लगा के रखा है उसमें तुम लोग का एग्जाम्पल लेना चाहिए कि उल्टा भी हो सकता है
चाहत के सफर में दिलों
आप लोगों को नहीं आता ये गाना
नहीं
चाहत के सफर में दिल मिल जा
ये रिश्ते टूट जाते हैं कभी आंसू बहाते तू काम कर अपना दीदी का बन गया और कभी
she had one job to do
but she is doing
बताओ ये गाना कौन सा है
she being not
कसौटी
बाप रे।
जिंदगी की
oh my god इसका हाई नोट अभी YouTube पे this might be a last time we're going to the department together not the different department not same not different department and so not same department different department but department isn't it
yeah
iman bright
ब्लॉगिंग करे मन को लगो
little bit happy
Today was my last night at a nightie, so I had that last evening walk and the last jamming session with my friends. So tonight I had my train to Guwahati, so I thought of having lunch at City Dhaba with my friends.
উই বাটাৰ আমি বাটাৰ পোৱা নাই আজিলৈকে পাও ভাজি
য'ত আহিছিলে নদীত জঁপিয়াইছিলে
সঁচাকে তোৰ জপিয়াছি নাই খালত নহয়
তহঁতেতো গাঁৱৰ ল'ৰা তহঁতেতো এইবিলাক কৰিছই চাগে
So there will be no more eating egg patties and chocolava at mid shop or having some cafe frappe or tea at tea point. I could not record the moment where I was officially leaving because I was so sad at that point and all my friends were sad too, so the vlogging didn't came in my mind. So I'm finally in the train and I was having chips and the girl just in front of me also took out her chips because I was having it and she was showing it to me.